If your API calls fails and you don't know why, Android Studio already has a tool to debug it. So today I want to show you what it is and how to use it, Network Inspector. So first of all, Network Inspector lets you see all HTTP requests, responses, headers and bodies without adding any extra code. So you need to declare in Android manifest Android permission internet to make API calls, and you need two dependencies, one with Retrofit to make previous mentioned and API calls, and JSON converter to convert those requests. Then we need, of course, some data class with some serialized names for our API service that is connected with repository, Retrofit, and our view model to interact with UI. So I will run our app. It's a very simple one app with just one button to make API calls and text to display our response. In this case, I display title only, and our app is launching. I can show you I use this API from this tests website. I will be using those couple of fields, very simple and very easy to use. And now we have it. I click, I make a call, and I get, I need to change one thing because it's not look as it should be. Yeah, and I will be displaying this title. And here it is, we have it. So now I will launch Network Inspector. We need to click in here, App Inspection. If you don't have it, you need to click in here for more tools, and it will be somewhere in here. So you need to select your app. In my case, is this app. You can see your app in here, and then we need to click in here, Network Inspector. Now we have some tabs, and I show you how it works right now. I click our button to make API calls. Then we can see how many bytes we get and how many we send. We can debug this code, this thing in here. We click in here, and we can see all of the information, all of the connection we get with our API. Like what we get is this. We can see our response headers and many other things, our body, request, which is what Retrofit sends, and some call stack, which is for more advanced people because it's very hard topic. And now I show you some interesting things we can do with it. So I show you how to use, for example, rules. Rules are very practical thing to use because we can modify our responses in a flyby. So for example, I can define that if my app will get this string, I want to be changed to this. Then I click this, and now when I make a request and the response contain this string, it will be replaced to hello world. And now I make API call, click, and now I can see the second request. This is the first one that we make previously, and now it's the second one. I click it in here, and now I can see that the title has changed with user ID and ID 1, like in here, but the requests, it's something new. So what we can do else more? We can change, for example, header rules. Like, for example, we can define cache control with header value, like, I need to check it out, connection view, wait a second, headers, okay, this is max age, 43,000. I go to rules, and again I define rule for cache control. I paste max age in here, and I replace it with a new value, like, let's say something unusual, like 100,000. Then I click OK. I can make the third call. I check it. It's here. Oh, wait a second. Because I can't grab it. I don't know why. I make a call again because I can grab this one. Oh, I don't know what is happening. Okay, I know what is happening. The request has been clicked, but I set a wrong value because I set only max age, but it's here. It's public. It's with public. So I need to do it again. I need to make next request call. Click it, and yeah, it works now. So as we can see, our request has changed from this value to this, and it was immediately transferred to our new value. And now my app will be operate on this header with this value. So when it's worth to use Network Inspector? I think that Network Inspector is very useful when you need to debug your API calls, when you get unexpected errors, or when you want to when you get API returns with wrong data, and with it you can debug your API calls. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video.